Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss what indirect file load in Informatica PowerCenter. So how to use the indirect file load inside the Informatica PowerCenter. So this is the video lecture 66 of this Informatica class series. And here with the help of this indirect file load, we can combine or load the multiple files record into one file. The condition is the structure should be same and properties should be same there. Okay, so suppose here this is a directory, or this is the directory dbt, and this three files is there, dbt 10, 20 and 30 records. So this three files data you can load into one file with the help of this indirect file. So indirect file, so that here going to create one new file there, and let's give the name dpt, and inside this dpt going to give here the name dpt 10. So this is a csv tab, so let's give here csv dpt 20. So this here csv dpt 30, and let's give here csv. So three files that's created there, 10, 20 and 30, this all are csv tab. Okay, so what exactly happening there? When you run the session, then control comes to this dbt text file. After that, here this try to find where's the dbt 10. So here 10 that's come there, this load the record 10, then 20 come there, then 20, then 30 come there, 30 that's or do there. So let's see. So here this is the mapping designer. So first going to import the files. So here source analyzer, let's select import file. So this is the file is csv. So first file 10 that's going to import there. So here you can see this all column, so that's selected or import field names. Next, here next. So this emp datetime name, and here this is let's give dt, and this all looking fine. Click on finish. Thereafter, if I go on this preview data, and let's select the files. So file, let's select there. So here you can see this the dbt file 10 is there, open. Now you can see this is the format. So here dt and y 4 times is there. So that in this source analyzer, that's going to do changes of this or data type. So first is here then dt, then y 4 times. So let's give OK, and if you want, then you can add here current or process file. So with the help of this, we can easily identify which file record is there. So let's click on this apply OK. So here you can see this come there. After that, let's go on this mapping designer. Let's click here m mapping and m indirect file example. So thereafter, let's drag there this dpt into this mapping, and now the next is let's take there one target. So dummy is there. So inside the dummy, that going to do changes. So if I go there, so here you can see the file size is 256 MB, precision 256 is there. So that here going to do some changes. So if here you can see 25 is there. So let's give 1 to 5. So if you don't give then there, you cannot get the full string details. So 1 to 5, and now apply OK. Thereafter, mapping designer, let's take their target and select this all and save that. Thereafter, let's open their workflow manager. Workflow manager, taking one session, and here that I just created indirect file example is there. This is a mapping. Let's double click into this here mapping. This is the file location you need to give. So file location you need to give so here this dpt file location you need to give there. So let's copy this, and here you can see this the text tab. So here let's give file location, and here we need to give their dpt text file .txt. And after that, if you scroll up here, you can see direct and indirect. So indirect you need to select, then after dummy, so we're going to create the files. So let's here select this and creating the file inside the desktop. The name is dummy file out, or if you want, then you can give here the meaningful file name. Let's give here dpt file .txt. Let's click on this apply, okay, and now let's go on this task here, link task. Save that, and here click on this start task. So start task, and this succeeded, and then after here, this you can see 6, so that is rejected. Why is this happening? So let's see. Okay, there's the problem with the hire date, because here you can see this the port is there. So hire date, let's go there. Here I have done the mistakes. So mistake is this dpt is number tabs. So let's give you date time. So this is the problem of this hire date or date time, that's changed there. So that's human mistakes. Change to date time, and here this change their date time, and mapping is so valid now. Thereafter, let's do the refresh of this mapping. So this done here. Now let's click on this start task. So this succeeded, and now you can see there. So 13 rows that's applied and affected into the target. So let's see the file that's created on the desktop. Okay, the file that's created at this location only. So here the file name is dpt file is there. So here you can see this is a dpt 10 records, and now you can see this is a 20 records, and in last here you can see this the dpt 30 records that's come there. So here you can see 10, 20, 30 all files here load or data load into this dpt file. Okay, so dpt file, this all data that's load there. So this is the way we can use their indirect file load. So first we need to take their files and create here one new files. This place give the file or name and with the extension, and use this here indirect file load, and here or dpt, or you need to give the text file details with the location, and inside there you need to give the target. Then you want to create the files. So file wanna create on this location, and the name is text file. So this is how we can load here indirect file inside the Informatica PowerCenter. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.